The Team Admin app from Mandata is an app that allows hauliers staff to book holiday, claim expenses, submit timesheets, and view important business documents. Managing workforce holidays. The Team Admin app makes it simple to view everyone on your team's availability. Holiday leave is requested through the app from drivers and sent to office staff to review the request and cross-check it with the availability of other drivers. Drivers will receive a notification that their request has been approved and also view it in the app. Approved leave will show up in the driver's calendar, allowing your planners to plan accordingly. Handling employee expenses. The Team Admin app makes it easy to submit expense requests. All receipt information is uploaded via the in-app scanning functionality and attached to the expense claim, so everything is submitted all together at once to office staff. Expense claims are approved via the app or TMS when valid, completing the process quickly and easily. If declined, a reason can be applied, allowing the staff member to adjust their claim accordingly. Once an answer is given to a staff member, they are notified via their app, likewise when an expense is paid. Keep accurate records of driver hours. Timesheets can be filled out by drivers to give an accurate view of driver hours. Shift times can be inputted manually, or drivers can time each activity as they go. Timesheet activities can be added bespoke to your business needs. Once submitted, timesheet data can be viewed by your staff in the TMS. Sharing documents with your staff. Documents and videos can be shared from your TMS straight to your staff's app. Simply upload any document or video from the TMS and publish it. And once uploaded, it will appear in your staff's app. As soon as they finish reading the document, they acknowledge it and add their signature, giving a clear audit trail of consent. If you'd like to learn more about how the Team Admin app could help your business, please contact your Customer Success Manager. Thanks for watching.